What is up, everybody? Gabriel Gregson here, Southwestern Illinois EAS. We have got a thunderstorm here in Illinois. I'm here in Edwardsville. Whoa. Hello. Anyhow, as I was saying, as you can tell, we have a thunderstorm here. Today is March 4th. It is still March 4th. It is about 11 o'clock at night. This isn't a very strong thunderstorm, but for this time of year, it's interesting. I'll take what I can get because it's only like 53 degrees outside. And generally, if it's that cold, you don't hear thunder here in Illinois. So I will take what I can get at this point. I do not know which direction I have y'all facing. I know that's something I normally say on these videos, but I don't know what that was, but there we go. Like, these windows are not very big, so I had to figure out how to get my phone in there.
On Southwest Illinois for tonight. Storms are expected through tonight. A few thunderstorms could be severe until about 9 p.m., primarily in southeastern Missouri. Damaging winds, marginally severe hail, and a tornado or two are all possible. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. There is a chance of thunderstorms at times Thursday night through Friday night. There is a conditional threat of severe thunderstorms Friday late evening into overnight across much of the area. There is another chance of thunderstorms Monday night to Tuesday. Spotters are encouraged to report any severe weather to the National Weather Service. Flood advisory in effect until 4:30 a.m. Thursday. Small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. For southeastern Crawford County, south central Jefferson County, southern Washington County, northern Iron County in southeastern Missouri, northern Reynolds County in southeastern Missouri, St. Francis County in southeastern Missouri, until 4:30 a.m. Minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. At 10:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will... Bond Terrace, Deloche, Potosi, Bismarck, Ironton, Leadwood, Park Hills, Pilot Knob, Iron Mountain Lake, Viburnum, Irondale, Mineral Point, Bellevue, Iron Mountain, Cutaway, Bixby, Oates, Leadington, and Caledonia. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The current time is 11:14 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is NOAA, Weather Radio KDO 89 St. Louis, Missouri, broadcasting on 162.550 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serves parts of east central Missouri and southwest Illinois, including the St. Louis metro area and surrounding counties. Overnight, showers. Thunderstorms likely late this evening. Then a chance of thunderstorms. Areas of fog. Near steady temperature in the lower 50s. South winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Thursday, mostly cloudy. showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Patchy fog in the morning. Not as cool highs in the upper 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of thunderstorms. A slight chance of showers in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday, partly sunny. Scattered showers, mainly in the morning. Not as cool highs in the upper 70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday night, mostly sunny with scattered thunderstorms. Scattered showers in the evening, no showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with scattered showers in the morning, then partly sunny with isolated showers in the afternoon. Cooler with highs in the mid-60s. Temperature falling to around 60 in the afternoon. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Much cooler with lows in the lower 40s. Sunday and Sunday night, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-60s. Lows in the upper 40s. Monday, sunny. Not as cold highs in the upper 70s. Monday night, mostly clear with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Not as cool with lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 80%. Tuesday night, a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Showers, cooler with lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 90%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy with showers likely in the morning, then partly sunny with a chance of showers in the afternoon. Much cooler with highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 60%. At 11 p.m. at Lambert Field in St. Louis, heavy rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 53 degrees. The dew point was 53, giving us a relative humidity of 100%. The wind was calm, and the pressure was 29.96 inches and falling. Elsewhere in the metro area, in Chesterfield, light rain and fog were reported and the temperature was 52. In Belleville, it was 54 degrees. In St. Charles, fog was reported at 50. Across the region, light rain and fog were reported in Columbia, Missouri, with a temperature of 47. In Quincy, fog was reported, reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile and 43 degrees. In Kansas City, drizzle and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile and the temperature was 45. A thunderstorm was reported in Springfield, Missouri, with a temperature of 51. In Rolla, a thunderstorm was reported and the temperature was 50. In Farmington, it was 57 degrees. A thunderstorm was reported in Cape Girardeau with 60 degrees. Light rain and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 3/4 of a mile in Springfield, Illinois, with a temperature of 46. Once again in St. Louis, heavy rain and fog were reported. The temperature was 53 degrees and the wind was calm. Now here is...
But yeah, as you all can hear, this thunderstorm, not dropping a lot of lightning, but when it does, oh boy. Because that last crash, that was, or at least that last close one, that was indeed a positive lightning strike. You'd notice the thunder, how it sounded like an explosion, like a gunshot kind of going off in spots. That's known as, they're sometimes known as super bolts because they travel from the tops of the thunderstorm clouds all the way to the ground. And with these types of thunderstorms, that means that they are, first off, they travel 10 times further, which then makes them 10 times more powerful, and thus can make them up to 10 times louder, meaning they can be heard sometimes 10 times further away than a regular lightning strike. Most lightning strikes, you can't hear them unless they're about 10 miles away. Whereas there's been cases of positive lightning that people have heard as far away as like 40 or 50 miles. So that would honestly explain why I was hearing thunder about an hour ago. And they said, I was looking at my phone, the nearest storm was still 35 miles out, and it was this one. But as you can hear, there are thunderstorms across the area there. Rolla, that is right along Interstate 44. And some of these storms are moving northeast and some are moving east. So if that one's moving northeast, that's coming right at me. I don't know if it's gonna make it, but this one made it. Cape Girardeau, that's down south of me. That's not even gonna hit me. That's gonna go into likely far southern tip of Illinois, down by Cairo, Carbondale, that area. So yeah, who knows? Who knows? And I do apologize for that humming noise too. That is not anything I can control. That is machinery that they have outside here for our dormitory. So, yep. Nothing that I can control here. Appears this thing might have fizzled out right over my head. Makes me wonder if that loud crash was the last hurrah from that storm. I'm gonna go ahead and at least, ooh. Alright, you guys wouldn't have heard that, but there was just this really deep, like, booming, like, rumble somewhere way off in the distance. Makes me wonder if there's something else coming on the way. Oh, boy. I'm gonna go ahead right now and stop this video here. I'll definitely cap that off as the first thunderstorm of the year. Not terribly strong, nothing crazy, but it's something.